I have too much stuff. Like, we already figured this one out, but it's painfully obvious if I need to use my second desk to open this shit, because there's no other room.
Where are you, my sweet murder weapon?
No, like, legit. I can't find it, so I'll have to use actual scissors for once. This is definitely how you use them. There we go. It is here. It is here. How did they do this? Why is there tape in here? Oh, how did they do this? Oh, like that. What? Why did there's no packing? I mean, at least there's a bubble wrap layer. And have a look at that. What the fuck? Oh, it even comes with the chip. Huh. Will have to be removed with alcohol. Table extension, maybe? Who knows? Like, I don't know. Is this good enough to show what the fuck I'm doing? Or will it be unviewable because I am so good at this? I have no clue. Ah! Yeah, I guess this will do. And we're gonna... That is an even different battery than the ones from before. Thinkpad. Okay, minor heart attack. I thought I broke, but no, it's just the screen curve. It's a T540P. Good shit. Windows 10. I'll have to reflash that. Enterprise. My i7 is still faster, by the way. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Admin. Screen isn't that funky in real life, don't worry. It's in Dutch, auch. This thing sure as frick needs an SSD. And also, what did they do to light indicators? Like, there's no indicator lights anymore. It's just gone. There we go. So shift escape. Or did they? No, they didn't. There we go. Task manager. Well, they also integrated the buttons into the thing. Of course, the disk is what's being utilized. 4 gigabytes memory, but this is DDR3, so I'm just gonna up this to 16 gigs. Disk's gonna be upgraded to an SSD if I find one. Intel HD graphics and the 4th generation i5. Lovely machine. Truly one of the views of all time. There we go. Now we're gonna... It's not out yet. There we go. Look at that. 1 4 gigabyte stick. Luckily, my bag of wonders that I bought, a camera bag from Samsung, has what I need. Which is a receipt and memory sticks. You would think, bloop bloop, but no, you have to take out the battery first, because if you don't out the battery first, you might damage the motherboard. Or something, I don't know. Probably have to discharge it first, but I'm stupid, so I'm not gonna do that. Take out the memory. Plug in the new memory. Both of them. Click in the battery. The old memory is going with the rest of the memory, and I'm gonna quickly test it. Look at that, 16 gigabytes of memory. Very nice. Let's see if Windows detects it. No, it's loading. Thinkpad, Windows update. Windows also detects also 16 gigabytes. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to watch again. Extra view.